Hey everyone, Carol Hickman here with Chickstamper. How are you doing today? I wanted to come on and show you this adorable sticky note holder that we made. This is my pillow gift, my thank you gift for all the orders that I've received in the past week. And I wanted to show you how we made it in case you want to make some for your friends. You can see it just stands right up. Isn't that cute? And I also made one with a purple sticky notes. So the same idea, but then whatever color sticky notes you can find, you can make it according to those colors. So pretty cute. So last Friday's Facebook Live video was focusing on the Pretty Perennials bundle. Here are the cards that we made using the bundle, and you can see this is similar to the sticky note holder. I just love it. The Pretty Perennials stamp set has all these adorable flowers, and it has this big happy stamp, and that's what's so fun to use. We used it last week, and we're using it today on our treat holder, on our sticky note holder. Here are the dies that coordinate with it. This is not carrying over into our upcoming annual catalog, you guys. So if the Pretty Perennials are something you want, you need to get on it and act fast and order them before they're all gone. I believe we have a couple weeks left that stamp sets are guaranteed. So the dies are while supplies last, and pretty soon it'll be the same thing for the stamp set. It's a gorgeous set. You can see it has all these fun dies that coordinate with the flowers and all the little pieces. So we also used the Hippo and Friends dies. These dies are carrying over into the next annual catalog that begins May 4th. So that's exciting because I just love all these nesting dies. So last week we used this one here on both cards. And then on our sticky note holder, we're using one of these. Isn't that fun? I just love how they nest. It just makes everything so easy. Okay, let me get these out of the way and let me show you how we made the sticky note holder, okay? Here we go. So we're gonna start with a piece of basic black, 3.5 inches by 11 inches. I'm gonna get my scoring board out, and we're gonna put this piece up against the top, and we're gonna score at 2 3/4 and 5.5. 2 3/4 and 5.5. Okay. So let me get my bone folder out, and we can burnish these score lines. There we go. So you can kind of see the beginnings of our stand. It's works like an easel card. There we go. So we've got some other pieces here. I really wanted to use the True Love designer paper. You'll notice we used that last week for our cards. And this paper is so fun because you can color it any way you want. So you'll notice in the sample that I've colored it with Granny Apple Green ink. So I'm going to use a blending brush to do that. And this True Love designer paper is also retiring, so it's while supplies last as well. I'm just going to get my ink, and I'm going to use my blending brush. And you can make it as dark or as light as you'd like. See how easy that is? So fun. Just picks up the color, and then all I need to do when I'm done is just rinse out my blending brush. These are just such cool brushes. They come in a pack of 3. So this designer paper is 3 inches by 4 1/4 inch. Again, you can make it as dark or as light, however you like the color. I'm going to go for a little bit darker. Basically, it's making it a little brighter with this color because I want it to coordinate with the sticky notes that I have. I just ordered sticky notes off of Amazon, and I just looked for some that were bright colors. Okay, so again, this designer paper is 3 inches by 4 1/4. And I'm going to get my adhesive, and first thing we're going to do is attach it to a piece of gorgeous grape that is 3 1/4 by 4 1/2. And then we're going to attach this piece to a separate piece of basic black, not our base, to our sticky note holder. And this piece of basic black is 3 1/2 by 4 3/4. We're just going to attach that. Now this whole piece we'll be able to put onto our base that we made for our sticky note holder. Instead of putting adhesive on this side, I'm going to put it on the base because I might go too high because it's really only going to have adhesive on that bottom part. So let's just put adhesive on this section. Then I know that I'm not getting too far out of my way with the adhesive. So I'm just going to line these up. They're the same width. So I'm just going to go right to the edge and put it right down. But because I only put it on the bottom part, it's not back here. I don't have to worry about it being on here and accidentally sticking to this part. Okay, so now we can see that we have our easel. Let's get our sticky notes. And hang on just a sec, let me grab one. Sorry about that. So we'll use the green one. So it comes with a, just a little backer piece, I guess. I'm just going to put my adhesive all the way around on that back piece. And then set it down and just try to center it a little bit. There we go. Okay, so you can see that it's going to be able to stand up just like that. Isn't that cute? Now we want to decorate this top part. So I've got one of those dies from the Hippo and Friends that I showed you, right? This is thick basic white. I like to use thick basic white instead of the regular when I'm going to be stamping on a piece that I want to pop up with dimensionals. It might take a little wear and tear, so I want it to be a little thicker. So let's stamp our happy. This stamp is so cute. And with the Pretty Perennial stamp set, you have a lot of options as far as words that go with happy. So for this one, I'm going to add "You Make Me" right above it. In the Granny Apple Green, so we used Gorgeous Grape for the word happy. And now we'll just stamp "You Make Me" happy right above it. I don't think that came out very straight. Let's see if we can do a better job. Let's try. Let's see if we can make this look a little better. Let's put the happy on. And the happy comes off a little bit, but that's okay. Now let's try the "You Make Me." A little straighter, a little higher. There we go. That looks a little nicer. Okay, so I'm going to use some black dimensionals on this because I want it to pop up a little bit. And then we'll put a little flower decoration from those cute Pretty Perennials dies Actually, let's see. There is a different name. Oh, Perennial Petals dies. Okay, so you can see that. So that looks good. So what I did is I used these Perennial Petals dies, but I used some of these other pieces up here. Got this cute flower that we're gonna make. This one and this one. So I'm gonna use a glue dot to just hold these two pieces together. There we go. And a glue dot on the back because I want to add a little piece of the glittered organdy ribbon right here in the black. So let's take a peek here. And I'm just going to put this right on the back side. I have a glue dot there. And then we can kind of play with it a little bit from the front so it looks how we like it. Okay, so now another dimensional. And again, I'm using black ones. So once I take that covering off, it makes it kind of hard to see, huh? But it's so cute. And then I'm just going to add this wherever we think it looks good. So right there, we've got our black matte dots. We can use one of these. Again, this coordinates with everything that we did Friday in our Facebook Live class. So everybody who has ordered this past week, more than $35, is receiving the full card kits. So they'll be able to add their own stamps and inks and adhesives to make these 2 cards. And then they'll receive this cute sticky note holder as my thank you. Isn't that fun? Look at that. So easy, you guys. You can do it. Let me know if you have any questions about it. I hope you'll take the time to make some. They're very simple. Again, if you use this True Love paper, you can turn it into any color you'd like with highlighting it with the blending brushes and some ink. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, you guys. Have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.